Are the trap rhythms working outside of Jamaica?
Absolutely not.
A few moments later.
So we do it, we no play around here. We no fish, we no gear around here.
2,000 years later.
As a little boy I grew up, me used to love the badness.
One eternity later.
Rasta powers, wash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media
People, I don't know anything setting up. So people, remember we did them fall out and I talk about the trap dancehall thing, and you know, I never really do no video about it, but I just know say something did I go forward make people I see right now. You understand? But I want to take in the video and hear what I go on.
Chatted recently with a disc jock turned cybersecurity consultant. Rush also with lots to say about trap rhythms. Are the trap rhythms working outside of Jamaica?
Absolutely not.
happy no dog. Don't them no happy no dog.
For example, if I throw what and said the trap thing now work, all of a sudden, fight the youth them. But the funniest thing is, me boss from the 90s as a selector, so I guess we never realized that me did fight the youth them when the music switched from the 90s to the late 90s, 2000, when it got to from Showtime and Pepper Seed to Bookshelf Buyout Diwali. We never remember to fight the youth them when it got to good to go and cool it dance and speed up and start dance. I totally forget to fight the youth them when it got Gully Gaza and Stephen them, and when it got Russian and Chimney them. I must never remember so my bad mind yet. It's only now, wait 20 years later, when the whole of the people that have lived through generation after generation have said, listen, this is not working. And I travel where enough of them don't travel to. So I am seeing it with my two eyeball them.
And this are the thing, you know, people. You see in a life, everything takes time, right? You can't say it's not working when it just starts. You see me? Everything takes time. Alright, people, look what go on right now. You see all of the elderly artists them a jump on the same trap rhythm. The rhythm a DJ Mac do. All over in Africa. Me see some African artists are on the rhythm. You understand? So everything just take it time. Like look on SKILLIBENG song. SKILLIBENG sign a label. The song where him go so wap 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 wap. You understand? They market that theme, everything. It go on with that thing out there. You understand? It's just that the Jamaican artist, the surface thing, we not really a market these type of thing out there. You understand? It not really a market. And if you realize, I be a young artist in the game right now. Because when you check it, right? The artists them were up in a age right now. Them try to look at young youths. I see Anthony B up on the rhythm, General B, Bugle up on the rhythm. You understand? So it's like, I say, yo, John, brother. You see more while, rather than say, yo, the trap dancehall thing, sometimes it takes more than one to push a genre, bro. You see me? Yeah, things that might have gone like on a high scale. No, but down the future, who to tell, who to knows. You understand? You can't just see something and say, yo, it nah. Because at the end of the day, enough you would get big song off of it. You understand? Look on Drift with TJ. You understand? Look on a beat there. Look what it do out there. Why? Warner Brothers buy it. Them market the song, them push it out there. The man them do collab with African artists, all of them something there. It's just that we're just not marketing the thing them. All it takes is marketing. You see it. Buy them big label and all of them little thing there. Look what happened to, as me say, SKILLIBENG do a thing with the wap wap and some of the song them. People know the song them out there. Even the white people them are sing it. You understand? It's just that our market a genre, yeah, back then they different. Can you have to understand, you know? Back then thing, I don't know why them compare back then with now. You understand? Because when you check it, back then, you did have a limited artist. And people usually have to just go like to radio or go and party. It was a limited amount of things where we have to go to for real listen music. You see me? So at that point back in the days, alright, if this man put out a song, it have a rinse in the radio, boom, get big out there. The label them back then, they that work like social media now. You see me? So look at now. All of that I go play out in a way. That's why you see like man like Shaggy and Sean Paul them out there. Because look at now, the label was more powerful than now. Now the label is like now people get intelligent now and more smarter now and realize that yo, the label just a drain and when you check it, you're not really own none of your music. So it's like people more smarter now and people more have sense now. That's why you see now the label them have to draw for some social media thing and for try to promote the artists and most of the people them who sign contract with the label, them are left the label now. You see me cause why? You have social media now where them can use for market themselves out there. You see me cause look at it reach more people. Right now social media more powerful than radio back then. Because if you're in your house, you would have a radio you listen to, Radio was the YouTube, the this, the that back then. The thing just different now. You see me? So chop thing, it just gonna take a while. You see me? It just gonna take a while, people. Yeah man, it just gonna take a while. So yeah, it might be not go on to a full extent right now, but it's gonna get there one day. Cause I don't think the chop thing, we're not gone no far away in the chop thing, That just the young youths them on the beats and remember, brother, a young youths on the beats, back then, some big elder and some, you have some young youths, but most of young youths flood the beats them now. You understand? Some artists are boss way there. So it's like them no build a fan base and nobody no really know them like that. And how much of them are signed for really push the level out there. You understand? The last big artist who know sign where we go on with him thing. You can say SKILLIBENG. The last female, Shensia. You see me? But we can say Ray with them put her out there and thing. So it's just that we not really have much artists where out there like that. The majority of them start our first year, go on with that thing, the hype get to them flop the next year. I just that. It's just that we don't have a majority artists where if you just push the thing at us. Be a young youth. Right now, the DJ RIDDIM, a lot of elderly artists me see a jump on the RIDDIM. If a cartel jump on it with you. Enough artists are do it. And me see some artists in the UK and Africa. Different artists are jump on the RIDDIM. But it just take time, man.
Certain places you have Vegas, you have Popcorn, you have RDX, Sean Paul and Vibes Cartel. Those are the consistent threads. Anywhere we go in Central America, South America, Europe, them man they play. And then everything else dead.
But that's the older generation. How come they're still in play to that extent?
Exactly. We birthed Afrobeat. We birthed reggaeton. Reggaeton is one rhythm. When I go to Latin America, when I go to Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Panama, and stand up, one rhythm I play the whole night is a dancehall rhythm. And every artist them play rich. I talk estate rich.
You know what funniest thing, Jano? Yo, when the man say everything else dead in a dog. When my man call out some artists, you see me? Man call out some artists and then him say everything else dead. So you say, wait there, so one to the other rest are big artists them. You see me? Me know other artists out there play, brother. Your Big Signal, Shaggy them, enough artists. Other artists are play, but you just can't everywhere listen to song them. You see me? You might go to one place, and just hear this a song, And when you left that place, the song where you never did that hear, I play this, brother. You see me? So, I don't know, bro. I don't know. But I guess I hear your opinion. And I know some people might go someplace. I just say things said, like, you might go someplace. Maybe if you go someplace, you will hear them type of song. And I remember in a bro, and really everywhere, all when I back then, and everywhere song I go play. You see me? You gotta have the mainstream them. Same like what you call out. And, yeah. But RDX them, like no, in a dancehall right now, people. I'm just say RDX. In a dancehall right now, RDX them are not really the top artists them now. Them do them thing yes, but like them in a conversation now. You see me? Yeah, cartel music I play. Cartel well marketable. You see me? Free music I got there. I have enough music in the game. Sean Paul, it's a shocking, me never see say Shaggy. you know. But I kind of understand the lineup where him just call a people where, you know, he maybe look up to where him rate. He maybe call out. But when him say everything else dead or I say, Jaja, look away there, so you see it.
Off of one boring rhythm, poof, clap, poof, clap, poof. Him just buy Lamborghini estate. And every 2 years in Jamaica, we come with this new creative thing, cause we have to change the game, and we have to suffer. It don't make no sense. The youth them out there still love authentic dancehall, and that's a fact.
Brother, a man buy Lamborghini and yo, yo, dog, Jado, bro. Man say your man buy a Lamborghini. I don't know what Lamborghini have to do with music still. Like, brother, at the end of the day, them a do them thing, reggaeton a do them thing, reggae. I think we just need to focus on our thing and build our thing. You see me? Remember, say back in the days, like a few years ago, whenever I talk about Afrobeat, bro, whenever I talk about Afrobeat, you know, I recently when Afrobeat artists them start get the big push by the label them, the international label them, and them time the way I start talk about Afrobeat, you know, dancehall was always there. It's just that dancehall is not like what I call it. We're not marketable like we not market out there like that. You see me? Davido them, Burna Boy them, the whole of them. The whole of them sign and them a do them thing, them have good music. All when you don't know what them a say, them have them melody, them have them beat. You see me? So at the end of the day, we have to just go on and build a thing there because I don't know. The trap thing. A dancehall to me is just a more faster pace, faster beat and all of them little thing there. You see me? I don't know where people sometimes I don't know where them people are want to do, you know. Like the authentic dancehall, bro. Like, brother, remember say them people that were usually listen to dancehall, them people are 60 odd, bro. Are young people there, brother. Like, bro, I saw the thing grow, bro. You see me? The people who usually listen to the 90s dancehall, and bro, them about 70. Some maybe pass away, RIP. You understand? But I don't know if you don't want the youth them go sing pan some old beat, bro. When them have the young generation. I don't know, brother. I don't know if I that you don't want, bro. Sometimes I just feel like say, yo, bro, make the youth them do them thing, it take time. The authentic thing, dancehall thing, brother. Soon after this, bro, a different thing. Like nothing still, like I don't know, them don't want changes. Go see all the young artists them depend on some slow beat and say, no, 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 no. You understand? All of them look slow beat, brother, different thing now, bro. Like them a pitney, young pitney, I go hear them they song the bro. You know, man. Says the mystery, and they dancing. Brother, come on, man. We need to accept changes. We can't force the youth them to go back in a time. That was that time, brother. That time, the 60th and the 70th-year-old and the 50th-year-old people, them can listen to, them have them music they feel listen to. Seeing, we in a different era, social media era. Brother, right now, if a young youth them hear them, they so beat there, brother. They must say, what is? A different thing now, bro. You see me? No disrespect to the music, them will set the thing, but things and time change, brother. You see it? Them young artists here, you put them pan some old beat and come on, bro. Like, same like going to Jamaica, but then I be a young youth in the thing over in a different countries. Young generation, I go listen to young songs. Old generation, I go listen to the song them where they did it back then. Like people who are 50 and 60, them I go want to hear some Barry Salmon and them song there. And that them grew up with. You understand? So trap beat dancehall, you know, them have trap beat have for them generation where I grow with the music. So you see when them reach all the next 50 and 60, them are going to remember in trap dancehall when they grew up in a. And some music stay, dog. You see me? You have to just make the thing grow.
Is that essentially why you've left the music business, kind of, and you're in what, cybersecurity?
That's part of the reason, because I'm looking towards the future and the trajectory of the business is going this way, down. Now, just like you, Anthony, we are down the line of the machinery. The machinery is led by the driver. The driver is the producer and the artist. Me a Lexus tire salesman. Me can't sell tire if Lexus not sell. So I benefit when the industry is shooting and it's not shooting.
Yo, Jano. It's so funny, man, them a play SKILLIBENG song, wap wap. In the background and the man them say trap thing. Brother, Just give youth them some space, dog, and make the youth them do them thing, brother. You see me? That's all me have to say. Make the youth them do them thing. You see me? Like, bro, una 50 of them, 40 of them, brother. I understand, you know. Una now got to listen to young youths and them little thing there, bro. But una have a song them una can go listen to, bro. You see me? Make the young youths them do them thing. Are them my future generation, bro. You see, you cannot pull the man them for do what una did I do back then. Because it's unfair if you pull the man them back then when back then things was different. You understand? Because remember, you know, it was only a limited a channel one with back then music, bro. You understand? Back then music. Because right now, the youth them, enough people out there know youth them just by social media. You see me? Right now, them youth, young youth, if you tell them about some artists, well back then, them don't know them. Them don't know them, brother. You see, so back then, people usually go to radio or them go to dance for go hear new song or hear some song. You see, if them stay at them yard and they not on a radio or no TV, them don't know which song and mash up a place. Now, the man them have YouTube, man them have Instagram, TikTok, them can hear how much song a trend. Now it's different. You understand? The focus is all over the place. You see me? The world different now. The world are tuning into different things. People now have time for you sticking to one things, bro. Right now, it affect all genre right now, bro. You understand? Because drama sell more than music right now. You see me? The drama and the thing on the social media. The whole industry of music all over the world, brother. Right now. May I tell you that? You see it? I saw a thing set, bro. Cause on a dancehall alone, it affect adapt genre. It's just that you wanna dwell enough for them thing. You see me? Yeah. Where are you dwelling enough for them thing, brother? So right now, you them have to just go and do what them are gonna do right now. Where I go tell them to go up on a slow beat and there, brother. Like if the marketing not there, all them are gonna reach out there. You see, imagine the little young youths them a go up on some rhythm where, brother, the youth you have to just work with what you can work with. Like, yeah, put young artists where or boss. Say them boss when them are 20. They pan some whole beat. Like young people them are gonna say what is, brother. Or that them are gonna say. What is? Look what they when SKILLIBENG them and the artist them collab with the girl over Africa. Shake it to the max and upon that, brother. It a go on with that thing, dog. It's just that the thing a grow and it's too start reach out to the real way and market the thing. Let's have to get the trap thing as if we just get the thing a time, bro. I just time, brother. Thing I reach out there, dog. I just be a young artist in that business, you know. Some of them just need to learn the thing and you know. To me, nothing wrong with the trap, really. I'm gonna tell you what the problem. It's just a topic. You understand? It's just a topic, and everybody I do the same theme a song, the trapping song and all of them little thing there. You understand? I just that. Them now find no, you know, catchy thing to the beat and you understand? The trapping thing and them thing there, bro, and the certain topics are that, bro. Cause you know, everywhere out there in the world that I go really, you know. Wow, play. Imagine there's some place and you be a chopping. I just that, but the beat them, yeah. Some of them can go on, but some of them alright, brother. And the worst thing, look on the DJ map beat. Look how the man them on the rhythm right now. The General B when I back in the 90s. Bugle when I early 2000. Anthony B in the 90s. The man them on the same trap beat with him, brother. So how we complaining now? Bro, sometimes I have to just take with time, bro. If all of them want jump on the rhythm and go on with that thing, bro. You see me? Even the young, right now, the artists that jump on the beat right now. What you mean? Some of the young people, I'm gonna listen to it. I say, yo, what? I saw them a go on, cause me say Anthony B one there, it a go on with that thing. What you mean, bro? Sometimes if uno just sit down and I watch you them and I say you them, and uno can still, remember saying no, uno still can sample see a thing same way for the young youth man. Maybe in the future thing go on. You see me? But I guess some of the elder them just have ego, dog. You see me? Them just I want the youth them do them thing. You see me? And at the end of the day, them leave now guide the youth. Them prefer cuss them and say, yo, what is? yo, this now gone away and all of them things. Sometimes when I call on something on the thing, bro. I tell you. Before no uplift the thing and push it positive towards the thing. All me can say, the young artists them for just try change up the thing, change up the topics and them look at thing there, bro. You see me? Change up the topics. Cause at the end of the day, bro, are the topics me pre right now. No, bono beat and you see me? Beat a beat, bro. Is it? Beat a beat, brother. Cause at the end of the day, brother, no can I expect sound in the 90s and 80s for you come go on with that thing in a day. Bro, you have to remember say people grew up, bro, and the people born where they. You see me? Yeah, we understand. So the people in the 60s and 70s were grew up on certain music. Them not go on listen to trap dancehall. You see me? Them will listen to some I beat them, yes, but the topic them not go work with that. What no means to the youth them no fear. I just the youth them for the structure them thing and find some different kind of topics and you know do something with the beat where just a ringing at people ears where you know they can dance to and you know cause we see it out there brother Skillibeng and we see where drift do. A lot of the songs them go on with that thing. And the people them come out for the artists them. You see it just a take time, bro, cause artists them young and we in a young generation era right now. You see it, but I say things said people. But you don't know. Big up on yourself, you know, people. Yeah, man, a 1 media fact. That is it.